Okay guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing mortars, okay? So this is the worst one I have right now. It's pretty tiny. These are all one shots. It was pretty loud, but no, that was bad. Next up, we have a pink one. I don't like it because it's pink. That made an X. Okay. Pretty good, I guess so. We got the blue one coming up. That looks red, white, and blue. I don't know if it was just me. Rewind it to see, but we got a yellow one now. These are all the same shapes, like an X. Ooh, that was sparkly. Extra sparkles. Got a sparkly red one. That looked yellow. Okay, what's next? We have, it has like these stuff on it. That's cool, amazing. Use all different colors. That's a good one. Now this one I am gonna speed up to ×2 speed because it is very long to go a long time. Okay, well that took such a long time, I had to speed it up. Anyway, okay, next up we have this 6-shot one. Pretty tiny, but I like the colors, they look really cool. And it's a ball with pink, green, blue, and like reddish. It's really cool how it's layered and the sparkliness. Oh my god, it's so amazing. I thought it was done right there. I think it's been more than 6 shots, so well, I don't know how to keep it. I don't know how to say that. Still. Maybe it's 12 and there's 2. Oh, I mean, that was good. I'd say it was really good. Yeah, I will eventually get more of them, but not right now. Yep, they were pretty good. Yes. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.
Moment of surprise.